In this video, I'm going to show you top redeemable coupon codes for Daraz. Our one of the three website is valuecom.com. You just need to search for www.valuecom.com here, and then you can find here so many codes available to redeem in Daraz. Just click on of this get code, and here down here you will find a recommended Daraz coupon code and deals today, and in this box they contain all the coupon codes and the details, the discount details and titles and expiry date. You just need to click on this box, and here you can see now we can copy this code for redeem in Daraz. Now the second one is shopper.com. In this website you also can find some coupon codes that you can use in Daraz, and this is updated code here. You can see December 2024. You just need to click on show coupon code here, and you will find that the coupon code has revealed here. You just need to click on it to copy the coupon code. Now give the feedback that did this code work for you. If yes, then click on yes. If it doesn't, then click on no. Now here you can see I have just copied the code. This was the code just I have just copied here, and I can redeem it in Daraz. The most important thing is Daraz itself. In some occasions they offer some coupon code that you can use in your shopping or other purchases. You just need to stay updated with Daraz, and you just need to get informed about the coupon codes that they have offering in some occasions. So be alert about the offers and the coupon codes. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.